Meaning of hardly.
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 Hardly. The word hardly is an adverb that indicates the degree to which something is unlikely or barely present. It expresses a negative sentiment of scarcity or difficulty in achieving something. When used in a sentence, hardly often conveys a sense of doubt or skepticism about a given situation. For instance, she could hardly walk after the accident implies that walking was challenging or almost impossible. In summary, hardly denotes a low amount or likelihood and can be used to communicate negative emotions and skepticism in daily conversations.